grew up going to the beach with my family in the summers, and I've never been out of the U.S. Well, I heard about marine biology when I was a freshman, so I decided to apply last year and I got accepted. And it's really cool because they teach us a lot of species and vertebrates about the fish. We've been snorkeling basically 24/7, and I've never snorkeled before. I think my favorite things I've seen so far are the parrotfish because they're very colorful and they stick out, especially the princess parrotfish. And so far I've seen 5 to 6 stingrays.
So we were snorkeling, I think it was yesterday, and all of a sudden one of our teachers pointed and there was this huge 8 feet bull shark. So it was really cool.
My team is checking out what different species is out at the different feet back from the rocks, and I'm here recording it.
So you guys are right now from there to where I'm standing, all add everything up. So we've set up a transect line from different zones. So there's the submerged zone with the sandy bottom. There's the intertidal zone that's sometimes submerged, sometimes not. And then there's the rocky shore that's never submerged but might get splashed. So you'll find different species in each of these zones. So right now they're surveying the zones to count the species that they see, and then we'll compare okay, the intertidal zone is where these species are found, the submerged zone is where these species are found. So
Whoa, the suction's got me.
there's 2 feet coming out.
It was the 2 feet. Yeah, it has a water vascular system, right?
Yep.
And it uses 2 feet to move.
2 feet to move.
Here.
I started back in October, it's February now, and I learned how to dive through Davy Bones scuba diving area. It's pretty fun. It took me a weekend to learn, and then now I can dive, so it's pretty fun.
Okay.
It was great. There was this big old bowl we could dive into. We saw this giant lobster and a bunch of other groupers and everything. I don't even know. It was amazing. I'm usually around 6 feet for snorkeling, but diving is way, way deeper. But it's more fun.
I joined marine biology because I've always been really interested in fish and the ocean, but I've always been nervous about the ocean. And the night snorkel last night was like really cool because you could see all the bioluminescence, like whenever you turned off your flashlight, and like I saw like a stingray and like lobster.
We just swam through the mangroves and we split just swam with sea turtles. Like it was actually really cool.
And I really liked when the sun would like hit the water and then you could see on the bottom it looked like a pool, but then all the mangroves are around you, and then you look up, you see everybody in front of you.
We did a little beach cleanup here. So we found a lot of plastic bags, some ropes, some shoes, a bunch of garbage picked up.
Well, if it goes back into the ocean, all the plastic is gonna be like broken down by the sun, so it's gonna be in a bunch of little pieces, which will be a lot harder to clean up. So you gotta get it while it's big, or else it's gonna go out there and it's gonna get in our food and our fish, and we're gonna get microplastics in our ecosystem. That's not good for the fish and for us.
Toward the skyway, she'll come again. When summer and she'll fly away to the skyway, God. She's so lucky, yes I am. Oh yeah, play on all day. I wish I had, oh yeah.